Alright folks, you want to see the Filipina breakfast of champions. Here it is right here. What we have here is chicken feet fried in a little soy sauce with some corned beef hash, rice, and water in a Hello Kitty cup. Baby, tell everybody, how's them chicken feet?
Delicious.
They're what?
Delicious.
How's the chicken feet?
Delicious.
Huh? Alright, so my wife doesn't want to be on YouTube today, but too bad. Because the Filipina breakfast of champions. Folks, we got rice, chicken feet, corned beef hash. Sitting out on the balcony, I got the beautiful Helen of Troy and the beautiful Fatima. It is a beautiful day here. Nice cool breeze. Overlooking Clark Airfield with chicken feet for breakfast. Folks, if you want your Filipina to love you, fire them up some chicken feet for breakfast. Boom, partners. Alright ladies, sorry to disturb you, but this was such a wonderful opportunity for a YouTube video, just to key in on them chicken feet. Peace out, my friends. If you got a Filipina, cook her some chicken feet, she'll love you. And folks, I thought the video was over,
Oh my God, you're not finished.
but Helen of Troy went in for a resupply on the rice. And folks, I want you to look at these chicken bones on my wife's plate right here. Look at these chicken bones.
Hello. How are you? Baby, stop.
It's a hard life being YouTube superstars, my friends, but I just had to show you this plate of bones. And there is only 2 chicken feet left. Alright ladies, who's gonna get the last 2 chicken feet?
Me.
Huh? Oh shit! Folks, there might be a fight after this video. My wife went in for the kill on the last 2 chicken feet. Helen of Troy left out in the cold. Oh my goodness, there might be a scrap after this video. There might be a fight after this video, my friends. Look at them legs. Beautiful, beautiful girls. Alright ladies, I'll let you get back to chewing down on them chicken feet. My God.
Isa! Mario, you can help me, Mario. Ano ba? No! How is that supposed to be?
Fatima, you got anything to say? The breakfast of champions of Filipinas, my friends. Alright folks, alright, now it's the end of the video. God damn, there'll be nothing but bones. The damn stray dogs out on the street ain't getting no meat off of these bones. All they got coming to them today is bones. That's it. That's it. And if I'm not running this camera, they probably eat them bones. That good chicken feet. Look at them legs, folks. Is that not the most beautiful pregnant chick you ever seen? Helen of Troy looking beautiful. Alright ladies, thanks for participating in today's YouTube 1 million views. Oh, chicken feet.
I give adobo.
Oh shit, there's no more. It's gone. It's gone. How many total chicken feet were there when you first started? Like 30? You guys ate 15 chicken feet each? Well, maybe she got 13 and she got what? 17? I know you snuck a couple extra ones.
Why you want to try? Chicken feet?
I know how chicken feet taste.
Really?
Yeah, but it's not on my agenda for breakfast right now. Mmm.
I want to eat now.
Okay, alright folks, I'm gonna leave these ladies alone. I think they provided us with enough entertainment on them chicken feet. Alright folks, I quit messing with them out there. But you know what I just discovered over here, right? Let me try to turn the light on. Oh, there we go. Folks, I just discovered they're holding out on me. There is more goddamn chicken feet in here. Mmm. And I'm gonna tell you, it smells delicious. That is absolutely delicious. Beautiful Helen of Troy cooked that chicken feet, and it took her time doing it. And just a little soy sauce. I think she's got a little bit of spice in there. If I really wanted to piss them off, what I would do is just make me a plate. Make me a plate with all the remaining chicken feet, and then put some hot sauce on it, because once I put that hot sauce on there, that habanero hot sauce that Crazy Mike brought, they're not going to touch it. That's what I should do. I should put it on a plate, take it out there, sit down. They're going to get pissed. But I'm not going to do that to them, because I got a different agenda for eating today. It's called Jack Daniels for breakfast. And for lunch, and I'm gonna take a late lunch and probably go check out Iguana. I'll be right there, sweetie. Iguana Mexican food restaurant, right up here from the condo. But for whatever reason, I've just never been up there. All right, folks, end of the chicken feet video. I gotta go take care of my daughter while these ladies eat on the balcony. Peace out, my friends. Boom, panes.